Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how to permanently delete your XM account. So let's get straight into it. First off, you need to be logged in basically in XM account. Now, important thing to know, your account need to be at 0. So as you can see, my is now at 0. Now let's go and I will show you. You click here to real and ultra low. Now definitely is at 0. Now you will select here on the right side, you will see some options. So deposit, withdraw and manage. Click on manage and you will directly see close account right over here. This is for real uh, account. Now, again, important thing, you need to have 0 on your account. Now, for the demo account is pretty much the same. So if you go here up to the demo and you will see at the right side now manage, click on that and click on this close account and your trading account will be closed, the same as real account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.